Hey, my name is Matt, and I am making a recording, a video. I am going to be trying something new. I have been working on a project which I would love to showcase today. It's been something I've been working on and off for about a year and a half now, and I just thought it would be kind of fun and cool to keep track of it in video format to kind of keep track of my own progress. And if people are following me or interested in it, they can sort of see the progress and maybe be part of it if they like the work. So what am I building? Okay, you should see a 3D world. So I am building a 3D game that's based on the browser. So everything you're seeing here is in my Chrome browser. I'm building a game. The game is going to center around natural history. I'm a big fan of natural history, love dinosaurs. Little Sue the Rex behind there. Actually, it's from Jurassic Park, but Sue the Rex. And yeah, so I'm building a game about natural history and going back in time. I think it's gonna have like educational aspects to it, which I'm planning on. And yeah, so basically, this is the start of that journey, and I have quite a lot to demonstrate already, but it's gonna go into it, I guess. So this is, as I said, all built on the browser. The UI is pretty terrible at the moment, so please ignore that. Work in progress. Obviously, everything you see here is work in progress. But the idea is when people come in, they hit new game and they can go into the game, or we can go behind the scenes and look at the editor that's also being built here. So the editor is going to be where I or anybody can come in here and build their own game. Now, I have this vision of what I'm building that it's not going to be like the other game engines that you may have worked with or seen in the past. This is a lot more user-friendly and puts the onus on developers to build things that just work in the engine. So, for example, the sky. It's a presumptive style, right, that I've gone for here. But I'm not building an engine for every possible different kind of sky. It's this sky. And they're very high level kind of knobs you can use to control it. So I can control the cloudiness, say, for example. Okay, I can change the sun elevation, the precipitation. Okay, so trying to control everything just using these kind of simple knobs and controllers. And then when you come into building the world, for example, actually let me just set the sun up a bit here so I can see a little bit easier. Yeah. So when I'm in the world here, I can see the things on the left, the actors available to me, and I can just drop them in. So I'm just going to drop in a monkey head. First activate this. So I'm just going to drop in a monkey head, and the monkey head's in there. The monkey head doesn't do anything. It's just a monkey head. But if I drop in, say, a basketball on the top here, I don't have to set anything up. The basketball has already been set up by the author of the basketball, me in this case, to be a bouncy basketball in the world. Okay? So if I now save and deploy this scene, and I run this, so we go into the game, loads up, and there we have a bouncing ball, which I just lost. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. I lost it again. Anyway, oh, there it is. So yeah, that's kind of the principle of it. Now, the editor is kind of a side thing. I don't know if I really am gonna open that up to everybody and every incantation. I kind of think I will. because it's proving to be kind of cool. And yeah, I mean, the real goal here is to build a game. It's, like I said, a game about natural history and dinosaurs played through the browser. Probably I think I will have also a downloadable version, which should be faster than, you know, running it in the browser, because the browser is kind of slow, and running it like natively is faster. But one step at a time. I'm only one person trying to build all this stuff. And that's it, really, for now. So this is video 1. We'll see how we do. I think the first thing to kind of showcase for myself, anyway, is the sky. I'm very proud of this at the moment. So I'm very happy with where it is at the moment. As I said, you can control the cloudiness, the fogginess, the windiness, the precipitation, so it can go, you know, very light or very hard. The temperature, so very hot, it's just going to be rain. If we cool it right down, it turns to snow. Obviously the sun and its elevation, which I particularly love. Going, you can't really see it, but like at night, it's actually night. There's like stars and Milky Ways and things like that. Yeah, I'm really proud of it. You can see the shadows of the clouds interacting with the world and the fog. Obviously, if it's a game about natural history and going back in time, the main focus is going to be the planet. So I want it to look pretty, and that's what I'm kind of going for. So yeah, that's it, I guess, for video 1, and we'll see how we do. Maybe we'll do more. I'll leave a link about where you can check it out if you're interested, and watch the progress and keep in touch. Eventually I will have like websites that people can check out and stuff like that, but for now we're early on in the journey, but this is where we're at. Cool. I don't know what to say. Peace out. Bye.